NGR Educational and Research Institute, University, Madurai, Chennai.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I welcome you all for the fourth day of the induction program, Diksharam 2022. It takes immense pleasure for me to welcome our founder chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam sir, our honorable president, Dr. A.C.S. Arunkumar sir, vice chancellor, Dr. Geeta Lakshmi ma'am, provost, rectors, registrars, additional registrars, all joint registrars, deans, deputy deans, HODs, deputy HODs, teaching and non-teaching staffs of various departments for today's session. I would like to welcome the chief guest for today's session, Mrs. Arcchana Prabhu, Program Manager in Adroit Technologies, IBM. Currently, ma'am is managing and scheduling IBM programs, events, batches, and working on various projects in artificial intelligence and data science. She has experience over 5 years in training the students on artificial intelligence, data science, and analytics. So, now I hand over the session to Mrs. Arcchana Prabhu, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
So it's a very happy moment because we are meeting you virtually. So this is like I hope it will be an interactive session. So if you have any doubts, no, so you can ask freely. You can ask in your chat section. So that is there nothing wrong in it. Okay. So okay, fine. So you know about so okay. I just wanted to know all the students are here, right?
Yes, ma'am. Students are watching it live in YouTube, ma'am.
Okay, fine, right. So you have already enrolled for IBM, right? So today in today's session, what we are going to do, so that is what I'm going to convey this, what IBM is doing in NGR. Okay, what is IBM and what IBM career education, and especially what IBM is doing in NGR. And you have enrolled for some specialization, no? So in that specialization, okay, so you can earn some certificates and you can earn some technology knowledge, no? So through what, and what is the benefit, and what about your job role, your placement drives? So what is your future? So this is the agenda of today's session. Okay, right. So
Ma'am, hello.
uh, what we are
Ex-
doing from
Excuse
2011.
me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Can you just turn on your camera, ma'am?
Sure, I'll turn on, but due to no, so my bandwidth is not that much good. So if I turn on no, so maybe there will be a problem in the voice and flight.
Okay, ma'am. No issues. You carry on, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you know that, right? So IBM is it's a company, it's an international company. You know that. So we are having service provider. That is, we are having so many clients, and what we are doing, we are giving services. We are providing services, and we have own manufacturing products also. But no, so you know what's special in IBM career education? That is from the 2011, from the year of 2011, we started one individual department. The individual department is career education. We are given.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Your voice not audible, ma'am. Archana, ma'am, can you hear me?
I'm on.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, you're audible now.
May I continue?
Yes, ma'am, we can continue, ma'am.
Your screen is
Okay,
black.
so if it is necessary to know the
Ma'am,
technology yeah,
ma'am, your PPT is
need to
not
share.
visible,
Yeah,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am, now it's good.
Right. So it is very necessary to know what happening in the industry. It is very necessary to know the working culture before your education career. So if it is necessary, it's necessary. Okay, why so? Because so we are in 2022. That is, we are from 2000 to 2022. What industry expecting means industry is expecting so much of knowledge from students. Okay, so that is we are not ready to train you from the scratch. Okay, and nowadays no, so job profile no, so job profile also no, so it is not like you are a only Python developer. Okay, you are a only software developer, that is Java developer. Okay, you are a front end developer, it's not like that. Okay, so we are in the that is you are a data analyst. Okay, so if I have a company, okay, for example I'm a HR. Okay, I have a 10 vacancy for analytics. Okay, so I'll hire the candidates for data analyst post. Okay, right, and data scientist also. Okay, right. So what data scientist will do, data scientist will do both the thing, that is they need development and analytics both. Okay, right. So the need no, so the need of the industry is also no, so it is in a high level. Okay, so it is not in like our 2000 or 98 and all. Okay, so the category is totally changed. So what IBM has decided to start career education in the year of 2011. Okay, IBM is 100 years old company, but we started career education from the year of 2011. Okay, so what we are focusing, we are giving training to the students in their campus itself. So that is before that is you are a passed out student. You are 2022 passed out means, so definitely you'll have, suppose you enrolled for IBM, then you'll have a knowledge on at least 3 to 4 technologies. Okay, it's based on your stream. So you're AI or DS, or you are a complete cyber security domain. So it's your stream is different, no? So your track is different. So based on the track, no, so
Ma'am, you, ma'am, are you here? Your voice is not audible, ma'am. Hello?
Okay, so sorry, there will be some issues.
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Yeah, fine. So let me, let me off my camera because I have very less bandwidth connection, so that's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll continue. Okay, right. So what we are doing. So if you enroll for IBM program, fine. So definitely you have a opportunity to learn at least four technology. Okay, four softwares. Fine. So based on the track. Okay. So how it help you on the placements. Okay. How it help you means. So okay, fine. So none of the company ready to mold you from the scratch. Okay, so if I recruit you, okay, I'm not ready to train you from the scratch. That is, for example, you are a front end developer. Okay, right. So I'm not ready to teach you on HTML. Okay, I'm not ready to teach you on CSS. Okay, so the software which I'm working, that is, I have own software in my company. Okay, so I am ready to train you on my software. Okay, not on my topics. Okay, so that is task and all. Fine. So what we are doing, so in your career, that is in your 4 years of time, you can learn all the topics with implementation, with mid-level of implementation. So for that implementation, you can use IBM software. Okay, so end of the year, that is end of the 4th year. Okay, so you should definitely, you will have a good placements. That you can grab the placements with the help of the IBM softwares and some tool knowledge and uh, concepts knowledge also. Fine, right? So we started from 2011. Okay, we have n number of clients. Okay, so we are giving training program to the students, faculties. Okay, and we are giving training on some other softwares also, that is analytics softwares and data science. We are giving training of developers also. Okay, so for example, we are working currently we are working in IBM Big Data. For example, we are saying we are a team and we are working big data with data science. Okay, so we have update in our software. So some other company, okay, we are having so many clients company. So some other companies need the knowledge of the particular software. That is, the software is updated. So what we have to do? We have to go to the client company, and we need to train them, okay, on the updated software. So we are giving training program to the students, faculties, at the same time the developers also. Fine. And in MGR, we are giving IBM program to BTech, BCA, and MBA students also. Okay, so what are the areas we are covering? We are covering AI, DS, blockchain, IoT, and analytics. Fine. So in this, that is 9 to 10 years. Okay, so we have trained so many students. Okay, two plus lakh students, and we have so many unique customers. So that is, we are doing IBM program in iFeel, that is located in Pune. Okay, Chandigarh University, Chandigarh. Okay, SRM, Wales University. Okay, and we have Hindustan in Coimbatore, MGR. Okay, right, PES. So these are the clients we are working currently. And okay, what are the benefits you'll get if you enroll for IBM? What are the benefits you'll get? So actually, we have a different different division. That is, for example, you have enrolled for integrated co-branded program. So that is, so you have a track. Okay, so AI and DS track. So in that particular track, no, so you'll get a IBM paper for each and every paper. Okay, first semester you'll get one paper, IBM paper. Second semester another IBM paper. So till seventh semester you'll get IBM paper. So 7 papers, you can learn 7 papers. That is 7 technology, language and technology. So you have to know. You should know one thing, that you can't able to implement technology without the knowledge of language. So in the first year you should learn language. Fine. So it's a co-branded program. Okay, right. So the second one is, we are doing value-added program also. It's not like full track. Okay, it's a that is will train you on some other technology like cloud. Okay, cloud computing or cloud application developer, AI analyst, data scientist. Okay, so then cyber security, big data. So like that, will train you on technology or languages. Okay, so languages for certain period. So 10 days program, 16 days program, 12 days program. It's based on the course and the track which you chosen. Fine, right? So we have value added program, and we have co-branded program. For MGM, we are giving co-branded program. Okay, it's an integrated program. So each and every semester you'll get IBM paper. Okay, right? So what is the software? How will provide software? So the software which IBMers are doing, that is which IBMers are working, the same software will provide you. Okay, so we have a lab setup in MGR. Fine. So you can definitely, if you enroll, okay, within a 10 days or 15 days, we'll give you cloud ID, that is IBM ID and cloud ID. So if you're using virtual software, so cloud ID will help you to access all everything. Okay, right? So we'll give you individual login, that is credentials. So the softwares are available 24/7 in the lab. Okay, you can use that software anytime. Fine. So who'll train you on that particular software? So IBMers will train you, SMEs will train you on that particular software. Trainers, no. So the trainers, no. So the trainers are should get certificate before entering the college. The trainers, certified trainer will send you certified trainers to train you on particular technologies. Okay, so you have lab setups too. Okay, so and the very importantly, you no need to go for library or any other sites to get the notebooks and all. That is Python syllabus is different in IBM. Okay, so no common Python syllabus is different, and Java syllabus is different, again different in Python IBM. And common, that is the basic one is the structured one is different. So you no need to search the content outside. We'll provide you the content. Okay, online content will provide you. Okay, fine. So once you enter that particular course, okay, so that is online e-content. So you'll have examinations too. So you can clear the examination, and you can get digital certificates too for each and every semester. Okay, right? So initially, what IBM did. So initially, we were focused on, that is in the year of 2011, we were focused on developments, that is software development, C, C++, Java, and testings too. So front end, back end, and testing. Okay, so in the year of 2000 and 2011, okay, 2005 to 2011, so development, no, so development in the boom. So we were concentrated more on development. Okay, only software development and all. And after that, no, so in the year of 2013 to 14, cloud were introduced. Okay, so then cloud technology were introduced to the students also. So till now, okay, so we are working on cloud. So none of the technology cannot, that is you can't able to implement the technology without cloud nowadays, right? So IoT need cloud, AI need cloud, blockchain need cloud, big data need cloud. Okay, so cloud is that much important. That is cloud analytics, cloud computing, cloud application development, so cloud security. So everything is, it's very important. Fine. And after that, we have a very important technologies were introduced. So that is IoT, AI, blockchain, big data. So these are very important technology nowadays. Okay, so if companies, that is higher end companies, that is level one companies, no, so they are recruiting the candidate. Okay, freshers, even the freshers in the analytics fields means. So you will be a big data architect. Okay, so you are not just an analyst. Okay, you are an architect. Fine. So you should know all the terms of big data. Okay, all the software. So we have an individual software to analyze each and every module of big data. Okay, so big data tasks. So that time the softwares are different. So we are using, that is IBM is doing Infosphere. Infosphere is our tool. So each and every year, okay, so twice a year we have updation. So you'll get the knowledge of the updated software also once you entered in that particular track. If you are a big data track, we'll train you on that particular software. Fine. So these are the technologies we are working. Okay, so these are the recruiters, IBM Career Education recruiters. So I just wanted to know, have you heard about Airtel, matrimony? CTS and all. So you know that. Okay, so these are the companies. Okay, right. So these are the companies using IBM softwares. Okay, so Airtel is using IBM software. Okay, so bank is using IBM software. SBI is using IBM software. In analytics parts, they need software. Okay, so IBM giving you that is some analytics parts, not entire. Some analytics, no. So IBM is doing in banks. Okay, right. So these are our client. So if you have a knowledge on analytics with the help of Cognos is our tool. Okay, IBM Cognos is IBM tool to do analytics. Okay, so you have a huge opportunity to place in this particular companies, and you have a AI knowledge. We can go for the companies which are using IBM software. So what I'm trying to say, so you are IBM student, okay, right? So you're learning IBM software for an entire career. That is your 4 years of time or 3 year of time or 2 years of time. So you are learning only IBM software, okay, right? So you have an opportunity to place in only IBM? No, not like that. Okay, so IBM softwares are using in so many companies. Okay, HCL, Accenture. Okay, right. Apple is using IBM software. Fine. Tech Mahindra is using IBM software. So like this, there are so many companies using IBM software for analysis. Okay, for production. Okay, in AI, there are so many AI companies using IBM softwares for future production. So you have a huge opportunity to get placed. Okay, so the main thing is what are the program that is we already discussed. So this is a program we are that is integrated program. We are doing integrated program in NGR. Okay, so what is integrated program? Each and every semester you'll have IBM paper. Okay, so for an example, first semester you are having Python. Okay, because you are AI and DS division, that is in that particular track, right? So AI can't able to implement it without Python, or you need R language. Fine. So which one is better according to the development side? Okay, so Python is better because you need Python for AI and ML too. Okay, right. So that's why, so what we are giving Python program for your first semester. Okay, right. So IBM trainers will come to your campus directly. That is face to face training. Okay, it's not like online training. Fine. So we'll give you training on each and every module. We have 6 to 7 modules in Python program. Fine. So end of the semester you'll do one project with the help of Python. Fine. So we'll introduce IBM Watson for implementing Python in the Python code in that particular platform. That is, we have Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so it is free. Okay, so you can download it. Fine. So same like we have a software. Okay, which can be implemented with the help of Python code. Okay, so we have a software. So we'll introduce that software in your first semester itself, and Java. Okay, so why Java is needed? We are in 2022. Why Java is needed still? Without Java, you can't able to do big data. Okay, you can't able to learn big data. Okay, right? So data science, fine. So data science means everything is data. That is so nowadays, no, without data nothing will happen, right? So every app need data. Okay, for example, I'm a new user to Instagram. I'm a new user to Ola. What are the information I need to give? I need to give the entire information, my phone number. Okay, if I'm not willing to give my phone number, then I need to give my email ID. Okay, right, and my name. Okay, it is asking all the details, right? So Facebook, so every app need details. Okay, so they need a detail to track me. Okay, right. So for example, I'm a new user to Amazon. I'm purchasing something. Okay, right. So what they'll do, so within 3 to 5 orders. Okay, so they can able to track my taste. Okay, so they can able to evaluate me. Okay, so that is a user. Fine. So according to the software, that is the data. Okay, so my data is a asset. Fine. So based on the asset, what they'll do all the analysis with the help of the softwares. Fine. So it's everything big data. Fine. So in big data paper, we'll learn many things, but all the modules will implement it with the help of Java. So that's why in the second semester we are giving you training on Java. Okay, so we have 12 modules in Java. And the next one is cloud application development. Okay, right. So it's a you should have HTML, CSS. Then you should have a knowledge on cloud foundry also. Cloud foundry is nothing but it's a cloud, that is IBM cloud. We have a tool, no? So we'll teach you each and every module of cloud also. Okay, so you'll develop app. Okay, and the implementation part will get infrastructure, cloud infrastructure too. Fine. And predictive modeler. Okay, right. So predictive modeler is implemented with the help of IBM SPSS. Okay, right. So it's statistics. Fine. It is completely, it is statistics, and you'll have little bit knowledge about AI too. So what is decision tree? Okay, so what is regression? So we'll implement that part also in the year of semester 4, basics of AI. Fine. And semester 5 we know big data. Fine. And semester 6 is AI analyst. Okay, right. So nowadays very demanded. Okay, very demanded. One course is AI. Okay, right. So in this semester, okay, so you'll do one mini project. Okay, right. So we'll give you hack challenge. Okay, right. We'll conduct one internal level of hack challenge. And apart from this activity, you'll get training on IBM softwares like Watson. Okay, and that is complete Watson Media Discovery. Okay, and we have a tool for NLP. Fine. So you'll have four to five different software knowledge in the year of fifth and sixth. Fine. And the seventh one is ML using Watson. That is complete machine learning, deep learning, machine learning with the help of Watson. Okay, Watson is a complete package. We can use the Watson for analysis and AI and DS activity. Okay, right. So once you enter into the course, okay, you learn many things about Watson. Fine, right? So these are the courses you are going to learn in your track, that is in your complete 4 year. These are the courses you are going to learn. So I told you, no. So this is a certificate you can learn, you can earn. So this is a digital certificate. Okay, so each and every semester you have a e-content. That is, you have e-content. IBM is no. So IBM SMEs will give you one program. Okay, after each and every paper, right? So based on the program, okay, you'll have a practical task and all, right? So after that, in the portal itself, IBM portal itself, you'll will conduct exams. If you clear the exam, you can earn certificate like this. So this is an example certificate of blockchain. Okay, right. So that's it from my side. So if you have any queries, no, so you can ask me. Any queries from student side? That is, you are very new, right? So you can ask your doubts. Students can post a question, right, in the chat.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. They are watching it live through YouTube, so there they can comment the questions.
No doubts from your side. Okay, so IBM internship. Uh, right. So we can provide internship, but not it's based on your that is your IBM student. For example, you are 60, fine. In a class you are 60, and we are not sure. Will give you internship for all 60. Okay, it's based on your score. Okay, how you performed. Okay, right. So based on the IBM evaluation, we'll provide you internship award and all. Okay, what is a no? Okay, fine. So if you want to, that is, you want to enter into IBM, so definitely you should have a knowledge of IBM softwares. Okay, so that is technology and softwares. What is the main language that needed? Okay, so it's okay. For example, if you are very interested in big data, that is, you want to enroll under that particular category. Okay, so you want to be a big data architect, you want to be a data analyst, so that time, no, so that time Java also needed. Okay, so I'll never be stick on one particular language, so only Python is enough to get placed on IBM. It's not like that. Okay, so friend, we need Python, Java both, and we should have a backend knowledge also, fine, and analytics. So you are a beginner, okay? Then basic knowledge of Python and other coding language is enough. But you are a second year student, okay? So that time, no basic level. This is not sufficient, okay? So you should be, intermediate level. So then only you can able to learn cloud and all, cloud, big data, and also only basic of Python will never, that is no, this is only not enough to learn big data or any AI or any blockchain. So if you want to learn that particular technology completely, so that time, no, so the intermediate level of program.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
How to use the software and all. Internship from first year is not possible. So third year, you can enroll for internship from third year or fourth semester. Any other questions? Biomedical engineers. Okay, so first of all, you should know, right? So, IBM software. Okay, so we were in so many industries. Okay, for an example, we are in automobile industry. That is IBM software is in automobile also, and we are in travel. Okay, we are giving software for the travel agencies and all, and we that is IBM software, no. So we are helping matrimony site also. That is matrimony also using IBM software for the analytics part. That is matching, profile matching part. Fine. So we are, that is Watson is a AI. Okay, right. So it is actually, it is very very helpful in hospital. Okay, in medical field too. So technology, we need technology needs in everywhere. So it's up to you. Okay, right. So you need to switch your career, so completely from your bio to computer. So it's up to you. But you have a future. Any other questions?
Yes, students, if you have any doubts regarding IBM, you can just post it in the comment section.
Okay, each and every year we have hack program. Okay, right. So that's no restriction. So any student can do hack. challenge. That is second year, third year, final year can do hack challenge. So nowadays, no, so September to October, every year September to October we have hack program, IBM challenge hack 2022. So it's actually happening. So the final result going to announced in the month of October. I think before 30th we'll get result. Okay, so in your seniors are also participating in that particular program. Okay, so it's not only within MGR. Okay, right? So MGR, that is Chennai, Bangalore, even from North India also. Fine. So you have so many international level programs. So you'll get a chance to that is you can test yourself. You can test your knowledge. Um, you can use these kind of international programs also. Will help you. That is, IBM trainers are there, so they'll help you from scratch to end. Okay, so you are enrolled for one particular program, that is one competition, which is conducted by IBM or any other company. Okay, so trainers are there. They'll train you on projects. Fine. Any other questions?
Students, if you have any doubts, you can ask ma'am through the comments.
Which content? Okay, it's a problem. Okay, so they'll give you problem, that is IBM will give you problem 14 to 16 set of problem. So under AI, data science, blockchain, IoT. Okay, right? So will give you problem. So it's up to you. Okay, so you are going to use only that is IBM platform, that is only cloud to implement that particular project, or you are going to use only the code, or you are going to combine both. So it's up to you. So solution description is up to you. We have a category also. So that is first of all we need to select, that is IBM have to select your problem description. Okay, your problem idea is okay, then they'll give you approval for the proceedings. So after that, trainers are there, no, they are in the campus only, so they'll give you some suggestions. Okay, so you can get idea from them. You can implement that particular problem with the help of IBM tools. And we'll give you free cloud ID also, so you can use that ID for your entire year. uh, so we have some criteria, right? So from first year we can't give internship, and it has some procedures also. You need to fill the form. So with some projects, so based on the projects, they'll choose you for internship. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? No. No
Students,
doubts.
do you have any doubts?
Okay, you have hackathon program once in a year. Anything else? Any other
Any
doubts related to your softwares and all? Okay, the softwares and the tool, no. So will give you for free of cost. That is, you no need to know. So you no need to upgrade your ID and all. You no need to do anything. Okay, right. So once we give in credentials, okay, right. So you can use the credential for the entire yearly once, no. So we'll give you some updation. Okay, so definitely we'll have updation in software. So yearly once trainers will guide you, okay, on the credential part at all. Okay, right. So you no need to do that is you no need to pay anything extra for a your updation and all. That is you need to get IBM upgraded premium account. You don't need to pay for anything. Okay, right. So we'll give you all the credentials. Okay, so your software is available in your labs. Okay, so we have a lab setups. It's a co-branded program, no? So we have a center of excellence in NCR. Okay, right? So you can go to the lab and you can find your software. That is, you can use your softwares. Fine. Um, so software is not a issue, fine, right? So each and every semester we have a programs. That is, SMEs will come directly. Okay, so we'll conduct program that is apart from your paper. So for example, you enroll for Python. Okay, in the first semester. Okay, so you need some other thing, that is analytics part. Okay, so we'll conduct a program on analytics, okay, which is implemented with the help of only Python and Watson. In the first semester itself, we'll introduce Watson. Okay, so in Watson, you can able to you can able to learn some of the modules. That is some things some few things you can learn in the year of in the semester in the first semester itself. Okay, right? So you'll get good tool knowledge from your first semester onwards. Do you have any doubts regarding softwares, tools, credentials? You can ask.
any
No
doubts,
doubts?
children? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't think so. Students are so far clear from whatever you have said
Okay.
them. Shall we
Okay,
wind up,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our founder, Chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam, sir, our Honorable President, Dr. A.C.S. Arun Kumar, sir, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Geeta Lakshmi, ma'am, Provost, Rectors, Registrars, Additional Registrars, all Joint Registrars, Deans, Deputy Deans, HODs, Deputy HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff of various departments. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our Joint Register First Year ENC Dr. N.S. Shubhastri ma'am for her restless effort and constant support for us. I would also like to extend my sincere special thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Arcchana Prabhu ma'am. Ma'am has given a wider explanation on the benefits of IBM job role. The session was very informative. I hope the students will make use of IBM program available in our college and develop their software skills which help them during the time of placement. Last but not the least, thanks to all participants who made this event a grand success. Thanks one and all. Have a great day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's a okay. So I already told you, know, so it's the second time, and our trainers are there only, right? So your seniors' response is very good, and their learning graphs also, no, so it's very good. So I'm expecting the same thing from 2022 batch also. It's very happy, and okay, we'll see. Okay, so if you want some other things, okay, right? So ma'am, we need. Some mini projects on different criteria. Okay, it's not in the listed program, but you need to do projects in some other platform, full stack and all. So you can request. Okay, so we'll do that also. So it's not an issue. Okay, thank you. We'll expect the same learning curve from 2022 batches. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for your patience, ma'am.
Thank you so much.